Today we're looking at the GoPro Shorty. I don't know, it's a little bit plasticky. Let's take a quick look at it and a review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Do appreciate you tuning into this. So, tripods for your GoPro. There's all kinds of tripods out there, all kinds of options out there. I've been using this little mini D for a while on my GoPro Hero 8. It works well. I did have to get an adapter for it, special adapter for this, and this is a universal adapter with most tripods, which is kind of cool. So I picked up the GoPro Shorty. Okay, so this is plastic, this is metal. This is a little bigger, right? You can see the difference in size here. So it's a little bit, it's metal, this is plastic, a little bit smaller to handle, it's a little bit beefier, but this has, I think, a little bit more versatility than this, but this is kind of cool. It's easy to handle in your pocket, small enough that you can put it in your pocket and, keep it with you. It does tell us it's telescopic, this is not. So let's take a quick look at this one. So the build, it is plastic, like I said, so it's okay. It doesn't have the traditional GoPro thumb screw. It has a little short one. So I guess it goes with the shorty. So shorty thumb screw, shorty tripod, I guess. I don't know. So this unscrews, so that's pretty interesting. I do like that. It does open up to a tripod, as you can see here. All plastic construction versus something like this is all metal, but that doesn't really, shouldn't make a difference either way, honestly. But I do like, it's nice and light. I do like that, and I do like that it is telescopic, and that's kind of cool. So if you're out on the road, you want to just set up a quick shot, bam. It's real easy to do and real simple to just get that on the fly shot. Get yourself in that, get a quick interview in, or just get a quick selfie in, or whatever you're doing. This is kind of cool. I do like that. I do like the opportunity of small. It is, again, plasticky, so you can hear it. I mean, you might hear that if you're like jostling it around. That's the only issue I see with this. If I had some rubber gripping on it, or maybe a tighter closure on it, it would be better. But it does have that. You can hear that. So that is that. But in other words, the build is not bad. I mean, I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Time will tell. So I would do like the telescopic and just to put it on to mount it. So it does have a long. Reminds me of the old computer screws and the old computers back in the day. So that's what it reminds me of. So let's mount this on and just get a feel for it and see how it looks. See how it feels, actually. Let's see. So it is very snug. That's the first thing I noticed to get it on there. I guess that's good. Let's see. That's wicked tight, which is good, I guess. That's cool. And the thumb screw is a little difficult to deal with, but not terrible. And let's see, let's power this up, take a look at it. Okay, so that is really, really, really tight. And this is not tight, so it's really, really tight. So it almost reminds me of like a fluid head, that kind of feel to it. So it's nice and tight. I do like that. Not too heavy. I do like it. It's really small and compact. That's really kind of cool. That's one thing I like about this little shorty. So instead of having something like this is just too big to carry around. But the shorty, I like this. Let's see. Let's set this up. That's cool. I like that. Let's tripod like that. I like it. That's cool. And something to do. I do a lot of shots, like product shots and different things. So let's just make sure it doesn't tip over. So it's got good weight balance. I do like that. So that's good. That's good to know. Some tripods will fall over if they're not balanced correctly in the bottom. So this one has and it's actually the way they did it on the pivot. It's actually sitting on this arm here, so it won't fall over. If it was over here, it might. But it's actually on the actual one of the extension arms, and that really helps balance it out quite a bit. I do like that. So if you're doing a selfie, you can just hold it to yourself. You can hold it like this, right? So that's kind of cool. So I like this. Not bad. Like I said, the only downfall I think I hear is just that little plasticky thing, which is it is what it is. It's very inexpensive. They're not that much. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up your GoPro Shorty. And also, I do like this tripod as well, this mini D. So I'll leave a link for this as well. And you do need the adapter if you're going to use it. So I'll leave a link for that as well. The adapter is really inexpensive. So this is a good tripod. But one thing I do like about this tripod is that it does have the extension legs. Okay, so you can see that these all extend. So that's kind of cool. So you get a longer. So instead of having the head instead of the telescopic, you do have the tripod that does telescopic. So that does have that, and this does have the little rubber feet. And let's close that down. Close that down. But this is all metal construction. A little bit bigger, a little bit harder, a little bit. You know, you can see the difference. I mean, hopefully you can see the difference. This is a much bigger tripod than Mini D. But the GoPro shorty, I have to tell you, kind of cool, right? So you're doing some shots like that, you can just really get in there, you get some shots, move it around. I do like that. You can do the selfie mode, which is kind of cool. I do like that, and I do like this on the fly extension. So the workflow on the shorty is a lot nice. It's really good. It's really much better than this metal one. But all in all, I do like it. I think it works well. And that is my quick review on the GoPro shorty. Any questions, any comments, leave down below. Let me know what you use. Let me know what you like and dislike about the shorty. And also leave down below in a comment which GoPro you use. And any comment. I've had some people ask, tell me that the GoPro, the Hero 9, I like the 8. It's a little bit beefy because it's got the front screen. And I like this. I like the 8. I actually bought the 9 and returned it. I did not like it. I like the 8 better. It's a little bit smaller, easier to handle, not as heavy, and it does this. I don't care about 5K. Honestly, 4K is more than enough for a while, and this works really well. And it holds it, and it really matches the camera really nicely. So it's not too big, not overwhelming, and it works. And it's well balanced. Actually, I like the way it balances, and I like the way it feels. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do appreciate you watching the review channel, and I'll see you at the next review.